So I'm in the second bedroom. I finished putting in the flooring. Previously you saw the painting of the walls and the ceiling. I've painted out the doors so that they provide some contrast. I've got one piece of trim set against the wall. I've still got to put the rest of the pieces in. You can see how that will provide additional contrast and create a nice balance between the darker paint and the lighter trim and this one lighter wall. So the next project, I'll give you a look at that. There's a bit of advance. There's going to be a lot of work. I have been using this area as sort of my prep area. This is the landing. There's a lot of damage that's been done to the subfloor previously. You can see in an area like here where the floor is basically deteriorated, and I'm going to have to pull this up, replace it with subfloor as I did in the second bedroom, except this is going to be a total replacement. I was able to still use some of that. I got a little bit of paint on the walls here in advance. I believe I'm going to be putting a washer and dryer in here, so I'm going to be tearing into that wall to put in the service lines. So it's a little bit of rework, but it makes it look so much nicer now. So stay tuned for that.